What's going on, guys? So I'm gonna jump right into the video, and today, like the title says, I'm gonna be showing you guys the new car cover for my 2019 Honda Civic Type R. And I'm gonna show you guys the car cover that I had just basically thrown on the car. This car cover is pretty nice though. It's pretty nice, but the only thing is it doesn't cover all the parts of the car pretty well. But this is basically a Rain X car universal car cover. It's pretty nice. It works really good on my 8th gen Honda Civic SI, but for this car it doesn't work at all. So let me show you guys. So as you come over here, it says Rain X right here, and if you come over to the side, the front is pretty good. It shows the front wheel a little bit, and then of course you can see the side skirt and the rear stripe. The wheels not so much in the back, so it kind of looks like this. It doesn't really fit the side mirrors and stuff like that. It's all right for the time being, but I definitely know I gotta get something a little bit better. Let me show you guys the other side. Here's the 8th gen SI. The other side looks about the same, but over here you can see the side skirt and a little bit of red of the paint a little bit more. So if this car needs the right car cover, especially with these big 20-inch wheels for the stock wheels for the Civic Type R, definitely like a car cover like this for the Shelby GT350. You could barely see the wheels, and it's pretty snug all around. It's pretty nice, even with the big front lip in the front for the R that makes it stick out, as you guys can see right there. Man, that thing is super low to the ground. But yeah, I'm gonna share with you guys the new car cover from Honda. If anybody else has a Honda Civic Type R, you guys want to check out this car cover, this is probably benefits you a lot of seeing how the car cover looks. This is how the Rain X universal car cover looks, and I'm gonna show you guys what the new one looks like. So let's take this one off. Man, just looking at this car in the red looks so beautiful, matching with the calipers, the Type R seats, the red steering wheel, everything. It just looks so good. And still got the 8th gen. I love the 8th gen SI. Man, these cars are two different animals. Man, of course this car being turbo now, and this car just being NA. But definitely, guys, I still want to turbo this car. This car makes some crazy power, and this car makes some crazy torque. So two different beasts. I know a lot of you guys are going to be asking me when am I going to be driving this car. You guys want to get my opinion and my driving impression of the car being completely stock, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. If you guys don't know, this car has ultra performance summer tires, and as you guys can see, it's 245s, 30s, 20s, and with that 30 it looks like a dang rubber band on the wheel, which looks crazy. But these Continentals are not recommended to be driven under 45-degree weather, which is kind of crazy, but it is a summer tire. So that's the reason why I took the RGD2s off of the 8th gen, because I actually have summer tires on there as well, so it makes sense. But for this tire, I don't know, I've actually tried to feel to see like how, if the tire is like soft or not, but this tire is hard as a rock. You can't even like dig your nail in it. So yeah, I see why they say it's not recommended to drive this car under 45-degree weather, because this tire is like a freaking rock. So stopping and of course trying to get traction is definitely going to be a no-no. So I see why under 45 degrees this is definitely not recommended, but it is what it is. I can't wait for the weather to break. Hopefully spring does come early, so he can finally drive this car and make some dope videos as well along with the journey. So can't wait to share the process with you guys about this. So super excited. All right, guys, here is the outside car cover for all types of weather and climate. There is a dust one where you could just have it for an indoor garage and it'll just cover it from dust, but from outside weather, debris, bird droppings and everything, this is the car cover. This is made by Honda. Here is the actual code of it, so if you guys are looking for it, I will put the link of the description of where you can buy this, and I will find the best price for you guys. is how it looks up close. It's like in this box, and it's like a gray. It's not like a, it's like a white gray. It's a dark gray. Pretty dope. Alright guys, so this is how the car cover looks. As you can see, it's like a darker gray up close, but far away kind of looks lighter. But it just has the Civic logo on the front, and it is raining today. As you guys can see, luckily it is raining, so I get to see it is beating off up here. Oh man, look at the leaves all over the car. Oh man, my poor 8-gen inside. Jeez. But yeah, the water is beating off the side. I see it's running off of it. Everything is looking good. Probably might just have to straighten this out or knock the water off. Need be. The water's gonna come off. You see, it's beating off the side right here. Yep. Probably just gotta knock some of this water off. But car cover is doing its job. Oh man, imagine if I didn't have a car cover. Boy, I would be heated right now. I would be heated right now. But everything looks good. The car cover is doing its job. Very easy to put on. All you gotta do is really put on the side mirrors first, and then do the front on that side, this side, and then the rear, that side, and it just folds out and completely covers the car. And this is how the back looks. It covers the exhaust too as well. So pretty legit car cover. Of course, if the car was lowered, you wouldn't see the wheels at all. It will definitely cover the wheels better, but just like that, that's how it looks stock. Not bad. Highly recommend you guys, if you guys have your Type R outside, and you guys know this car has a lot of nooks and crannies to keeping it clean and washing it every time, and it is time consuming. Highly recommend you guys get this car cover. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can go ahead and cop it. But this car cover is pretty dope. Has a really nice material to it too, and covers the splitter in the front. Everything looks good.